Former Miss World Aishwarya Rai Bachchan inaugurated artist, social activist Rubal Nagy's sculpture titled The Paradise Garden. The beauties looked elegant in Indian outfits. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan opted to wear a beautiful salwar suit, and a slick, straight hairdo and minimal makeup complemented her desi look, while Rubal looked as elegant as ever in a cream outfit with gajra in place. Aishwarya thanked the activist for beautifying the city.
मैं आपको दिल से धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि आपने मुझे न्योता दिया. You invited me to come and join in the inauguration of this beautiful artwork by Rubal, and the pleasure has been all mine. इन्होंने एकदम सही कहा. हम रूबल जी को दिल से धन्यवाद देते हैं कि हमारे शहर को और ब्यूटिफाई कर रहे हैं, और एज अ मुंबईकर वी आर ओनली टू हैप्पी टू जॉइन इन दिस ongoing movement to beautify our city and have these wonderful art installations. And when Rubal is when she's actually explained, it makes such natural sense, I think, to everyone listening, that art is not really just for the exclusive section of society. It has to be enjoyed by all. Art becomes artwork with increased audience appreciation, and I think it's wonderful that together all of them, Poonam ji, Rubal, the BMC, all have actually made it possible that we're having these installations all over the city, and the pleasure was all mine to join in today.
The Paradise Garden sculpture is installed opposite Mehboob Studio in Bandra, and Aishwarya said that she has a special connection with the place, while Rubal spoke about public art and how it energizes the place.
So the location for me has a personal holds a special place personally, because I've always lived in Bandra until I got married, and Mehboob Studio is right here, where we have done so much of our work in our industry. So this just is.
I hope you're voting.
And yeah, and she said the tulip. I mean, she said this is inspired by a tulip, and that just makes perfect sense again, because well, there is a tulip named Aishwarya. So I just discovered that, so thank you.
As an artist, I think public art, everybody should be accessible to art. It's not just for the rich and famous, but they can go to all the museums in the world and appreciate art. My whole point behind promoting public art is that people on the road, people coming from all over India who probably would not even, visit galleries or museums, should look at a public piece which appeals them, which gives them happiness. And there are a lot of commuters every day, we drive around the traffic. If you look left and right and you see some nice piece of art which just gives that little smile on your face, that's the whole point of doing my, the whole thought behind public art. And this is my sculpture which is done in stone, and it's called Paradise Garden. The whole inspiration came from nature. I do a lot of theme-based artwork. So I've dedicated this to Mother Nature, to plant more trees, save water. Let's all get together and save the environment. This is what the art piece depicts.
मैं रूबल जी को दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ. मुंबई एक ऐसा शहर है जहाँ पे हम ऐसी हड़बड़ी की ज़िंदगी मना रहे हैं. हम इतने छोटे रास्तों से जाते हैं, बहुत सारी इतने लोग हैं और समस्याएं बहुत सारी हैं. जब हम अच्छी खुशी के रंग देखते हैं, साफ सफाई देखते हैं, हमें अच्छा लगता है. We always feel better that the city has to be clean. We see good things, और हर किसी की वही इच्छा होती है. आज हम खुश हैं कि पब्लिक स्पेसेस में हमें नया आर्ट इंस्टॉलेशन, एक नया कलाकार कोई अच्छा करना चाहता है, लोगों से जुड़ना चाहता है, वो दिखाई दे रहा है, और इससे हमारा मुंबई शहर भी सुंदर दिखेगा. मैं रूबल जी के साथ बहुत जगहों पे काम कर चुकी हूँ. वी हैव डन ब्यूटीफुल #Bandra in Bandra. ये हम कर रहे हैं. विल बी कनेक्टिंग more kids to getting into painting, their habits, जहाँ पे वो कला के साथ कुछ न कुछ जिंदगी में अपना सुधार कर सके, पैरों पे खड़े हो सके। And I'm grateful to ऐश्वर्या जी, my pleasure। उन्होंने अपना समय निकाला और मुंबई शहर की एक मुंबई वासी के रूप से उन्होंने मुंबई को ताकत दी और हर वक्त पूरा परिवार हमारे साथ जो कुछ शहर के लिए हो, देश के लिए हो, करने के लिए हर वक्त तत्परता से आगे बढ़ता है। इसलिए मैं ऐश्वर्या जी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ।
Poonam Mahajan, the MP from Mumbai North Central, and BJP Mumbai President Ashish Shelar were also present at the inauguration ceremony.